Have you ever wondered how the worlds of luxury, blockchain, and AI are quietly colliding in ways that could change the way we interact with everything from jewelry to gold? Before we get in, I want to quickly mention if you find value in these stories and want to support my work, any contributions help keep this channel running and bring more of these stories straight to you. Wallet details are in the description. Let's start with something that might surprise you: high jewelry on the blockchain. Swiss designer Suzanne Syz, renowned for her bold and unconventional approach, has taken an unprecedented step. She has certified her entire high jewelry collection on the blockchain using technology from the Swiss based Origyn Foundation. That's 1001 unique pieces now carrying digital certificates of authenticity permanently recorded on the blockchain. Sis isn't just making a flashy statement here. This move aligns perfectly with her creative philosophy. Known for experimenting with titanium, aluminum, enamel, and other unconventional materials, she's always challenged what high jewelry can be. With blockchain backed certificates, she's extending that philosophy into transparency and trust. Collectors no longer have to take her word for it. Every piece comes with verifiable proof of provenance and ethical sourcing. The process itself is fascinating. Each certificate includes detailed provenance information, structured and uploaded to the blockchain before being minted into an immutable record. This means that ownership and authenticity can be independently verified at any time. Gian Boschler, founder of Origyn, calls it a natural partnership. Creativity and forward thinking design meet cutting edge technology, creating a level of trust rarely seen in the luxury market. And while this may sound niche, the implications are huge. Imagine buying a diamond or gold piece and being able to instantly verify its ethical origin and authenticity. Blockchain isn't just a tech trend here. It's becoming an expectation for transparency in luxury, a modern expression of accountability that matches the artistry of the pieces themselves. Speaking of innovations, let's switch gears to something a little more digital, but no less exciting. Sneed Hub, a decentralized platform, has just rolled out a major update with tools designed to give users more control over liquidity and governance participation. Two key additions are Sneed Lock and the SNS Neuron wallet that make interacting with the platform more flexible and rewarding. Sneak Lock lets users claim fees on locked positions, but what really stands out is liquid locking. Positions can now be transferred, offering users freedom without sacrificing rewards. Meanwhile, the SNS Neuron wallet integrates Neuron management, making it easy to create, transfer, and manage neurons directly within the platform. Custom hotkeys streamline governance, especially for power users managing multiple positions. The update is part of a broader trend in decentralized finance, where platforms are no longer just about staking or trading tokens. They are about giving participants meaningful ways to influence governance while still earning incentives. Transparency, flexibility, and functionality all come together here. And for anyone curious, the updated features are live at the link given in the description below. And this wallet, it's a playground for anyone wanting a more hands-on approach to decentralized networks. Now, if liquidity and blockchain governance feel a bit abstract, let's look at a tangible asset, that is gold. Gold DAO has been making headlines lately as the price of gold surged past $4,100, defying predictions of a peak. But beyond the price action, the bigger story is about what Gold DAO is actually doing: bringing gold onto the blockchain. By leveraging the internet computer, Gold DAO provides a digital layer for trading and holding gold, combining the stability of a traditional safe haven asset with blockchain's transparency and programmability. Users can engage with gold in a decentralized environment, participate in governance, and even leverage smart contracts to interact with their holdings in ways previously impossible in traditional markets. What's interesting is how initiatives like this bridge traditional finance and blockchain experimentation. Investors can now explore gold markets without relying on intermediaries, while developers and enthusiasts experiment with on-chain mechanisms. It's a glimpse into a future where physical and digital assets coexist seamlessly, creating a hybrid financial ecosystem that feels both stable and innovative at once. Of course, with all this focus on numbers and assets, sometimes things don't display exactly as they should. Dexter recently highlighted a quirky incident on CycleOps, a platform for ICP users. Purchasing cycles for one ICP was showing 2.5 trillion cycles valued at roughly $5.43, despite ICP's market price hovering around $3.71. That kind of mismatch can make any crypto enthusiast eyes cross. It turns out the issue was purely on the front end. It's an outdated ICP coins canister was feeding incorrect USD ICP rates to the interface. CycleOps confirmed that actual transactions weren't affected and promised a fix within 24 to 48 hours. The lesson here is twofold. Decentralized platforms still face technical challenges in presenting accurate real-time data, and the community's eyes are sharper than ever. One quick tweet from Dexter sparked a conversation about transparency and reliability in the ICP ecosystem. And while blockchain and finance dominate headlines, innovation is happening in design and AI too. Graphic designer daveDash recently showcased the potential of AI assisted web development by creating an entire portfolio website with just three carefully crafted prompts using Caffeine AI. The site isn't just a static portfolio. It features light and dark theme toggles, an animated background canvas, and an admin panel that lets daveDash manage uploads, analytics, contact submissions, and prioritize featured projects. Security measures ensure unauthorized users are signed out automatically, while accessibility and performance optimizations make the site seamless for visitors. The portfolio demonstrates how AI prompts can streamline complex development tasks, allowing designers to focus on creativity rather than repetitive coding. It's a clear example of how AI is evolving from a tool to a collaborator, helping professionals produce polished, functional, and visually engaging experiences with minimal effort. You can check out the portfolio at the link given in the description. It's worth a look. These stories are part of a broader narrative, a quiet revolution where creativity, technology, and finance are no longer isolated but intertwined. And in this convergence, opportunities and challenges emerge side by side, offering both practical solutions and conceptual shifts in how we perceive value. Before we wrap up, I'll leave you with a simple invitation. Stay curious. Explore these platforms, follow innovative creators, and pay attention to the way technology is reshaping trust, ownership, and creativity. And if you want to support this channel and help bring more of these stories to life, consider making a donation. Details are in the description, and every bit helps keep this research and coverage going. Innovation is everywhere, sometimes in unexpected places, in the glitter of a Swiss jewelry piece, in the code behind a DAO, or in the lines of a prompt that builds an AI-assisted portfolio. The world is quietly changing, and understanding these shifts isn't just fascinating, it's empowering. That's it for today. Keep exploring, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.